Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a little something different. This is a Rupp Chevrolet Monza Corvette Jr. Produced by Rupp back in the 60s and 70s. And they were used mostly for promotional items for Chevrolet, to represent a model that did not really go over that well. But they only made a few of these. This has been slightly modified from a 3 horsepower to a 6.5 horsepower Honda-like engine, and this thing will take off. It will go. The previous owner also added an electric start with the key. Very cool looking, half Monza, half Corvette. Read the description on our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. You'll find out a little bit more information on these vehicles. But it is turnkey and ready to go right now. And we'll put the caddy in the background so you can see the scale. Very cool ride. Rupp Chevrolet Monza Corvette Jr. All for you. Hang out also. We're going to add a little bit of video clip to show off the electric start. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics. How cool is that?